Alright, so I guess in this one, with this not multiple choice, we're using the properties of square roots to write the expression below in simplest form. This is actually pretty easy, but kind of not. So, first thing I want to do here is I want to, I want to break up 96, and the reason why I want to break it up is I want to break it up to see um, if it has any perfect squares in it. Does it have any perfect squares in it? I don't know if it does, but let's see. I'm thinking that it does. Now, usually what I do first is I divide by 2 because that's an easy number to divide by. Um, Makes it pretty easy for me. So I know here I'm going to get 2 goes into 9 4 times with 1 left over, and then 2 goes into 16. It goes in 16 8 times. So I get a 48 times 2 is 96. And it doesn't really get me anywhere, but it gives me a good hint. I think 16 is going to probably be I'm going to be able to break this down into 16. So I'm actually going to erase these just to give myself some more room. And so that's the first breakdown, 48 times 2. Let's break it down a little bit more. Let's break it down into, should I do it by 8s? No, that would be way too complicated. I don't feel like it. 16. Does 16 go into 48? No, it doesn't. So never mind. I don't even know what I was thinking there. Let's just break it down into 8s and then see what we can do from there. So I know that 8 times 6 times 2 so 8 times 6 is 48, and then the times 2 that was here from here before. Okay. So now let me do a little bit of rearranging here because I can see that 8 times 2 is going to be actually 16. That was the 16 I was looking for before. And so now I got 16 times 6. And the reason why I rearranged that is because what I can actually do here is because this is a perfect square, I can take that out of the root and bring it out as a 4. The square root of 16 is 4. So I can rip it out of the root and bring it out of the root and whatever. So I'm going to now get 4, because I brought that out of the root, 4 root 6. 4 root 6. And if you look on a calculator, you should see that these are the exact same, unless I got it wrong, and in which case they wouldn't be the exact same. But assuming that they are, and that that's the right answer, there you go.